The next 60 seconds, I will show you how with this new AI tool, you can create 3D animated videos, even if you have zero technical experience. Let's say I want to create a full-length kids' moral video where I want the characters to speak and need the same character in different scenes. Firstly, I will explain how I want my character to be like this. Either I can create from AI, or I can upload my own. Don't worry about prompts. They give you all the prompt templates for unlimited stories and character ideas. Now, I want this character in different scenes so I can create like this. By the way, I can create videos in all styles, 2D, 3D, and realistic humans, etc. Now, I want the character to speak what I want so I can do like this. I have multiple options. Either I can use their natural sounding text-to-speech feature, or I can record my own voice or import any audio I want like my music trucks, etc. Again, I don't have to pay anything extra for this. I get all this for lifetime for just a one-time price. Also, I can create videos in any language I want. By using VideoExpress, I saved hundreds of dollars in monthly fees that I was paying for text-to-speech apps, AI image software, and online video editing platforms. It's so easy to use, and they have all the training and resources of how to step-by-step to succeed online in record speed. Finally, it takes a few seconds to get the video generated. Then I can combine all these clips together like this to create full-length videos which look like this.